Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bling. I'm Coco Sherelle, and today I have a quick tutorial on how I make my satin ribbon laces. So if you'd like to see how simple it is to make, keep watching. First item you need is satin 360 ribbon. It can be any name brand. The 360 means that it's shiny on both sides. Next, you're going to need measuring tape and a pair of scissors to cut to the desired length. The length that I use for the woman's 6.5 is 70 inches for each satin lace. Okay, so the fourth item is a lighter. This is to burn the cut ends of the ribbon and prevent it from fraying. This is going to make your ribbon look neat and clean, and it's going to make step number 5 so much easier. Right here is me demonstrating how to burn the ends. Number 5 are these plastic shrink tubes. This is what's going to turn your regular ribbon into amazing laces. This is by far the most important step. So right here, what I'm doing is twisting the end of the ribbon, and I'm going to stick it inside the plastic shrink tube. This is why it was very important to burn the end, so that you won't have any fraying that's going to interfere with you trying to stick it through that small hole. So as you see, it was easy to pull through, and now you have the shrink tube on. So now I'm just going to adjust it and bring that tube to the top where it's nice and even. I'm adjusting the shrink wrap tube and pulling it up to the top of the ribbon. It's fairly easy, but I'm going to demonstrate it again just in case you didn't catch that. Take the ribbon and twist it into a point. Next, you're just going to take that pointed end and stick it through the shrink plastic tube. Pull the plastic tube down while pulling the ribbon through. Make any adjustments and then push the plastic tube to the top. Hey guys, if you're finding this content helpful so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and you can also give a super thanks for any amount. That will definitely help this channel. Thanks guys. All 4 of the ends are done. Now it's time to seal it with heat. I'll be using a standard iron to seal the shrink tube, so I'm getting everything ready on a pillowcase. You can also use a heat gun if you have one. My iron is on a high setting with no steam, and I let it sit on the ribbon for about 10 to 15 seconds, and that's all you need. There you have it, they're done. So the shrink tubes are bonded onto the ribbons and they are secure. This is going to make lacing up the sneakers so much easier. The next step are these beautiful rhinestone buckles. You know I have to put them on my laces. They go on every sneaker unless a customer asks me to do something different. So many people ask me, where do I get these rhinestone buckles from? These come from Amazon. You can get them very reasonable, and they come about maybe 15 to 20 inside the pack. Don't forget, I will leave everything that I use in the description section, so please go and check that out. So now the last and final step is to actually lace the sneakers. Here we go. I always add some tissue paper inside to create some type of fullness. It makes it easier when you lacing up the sneakers. Having that plastic tip just makes it so convenient when lacing the sneakers. I know this part is self-explanatory. Everybody knows how to lace sneakers. If you have a certain style, be my guest. The only thing I do, I just make sure that the buckle is even. In the middle, the laces are even. And I just have a pattern if I'm going over or under, depending if it's coming from right or left. I just keep that same pattern. I don't like to switch up. You'll see as I go along. I get asked a lot, how do I measure for the laces? Well, this is what I do. The original Converse laces is about 50 to 53 inches. You cannot use that measurement when using satin ribbon because satin ribbon does not stretch. For this 6.5, I'm using 70 inches for each shoe. If I'm working with the woman's size 8.5 or more, I'll use 72 inches to even 76 inches. You just never know how narrow or wide a customer foot is. And I always send the original laces. Aren't these Converses beautiful? They are ready for a video photo shoot, and after that I will be shipping them out to the customer. So there you have it. This tutorial is done. I hope I answered most of you guys' questions about how I do my satin ribbons. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up or send a super thanks for any amount. I would really appreciate it, and it can help this channel. If you would like to see more Bling tutorials, hit that subscribe button and join the Bling family. If you love what you saw today and would like to support my small business by purchasing your own custom pair of Bling sneakers, the link to my Etsy boutique will be in the description section below. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, stay blessed and safe. Bye.